Hello. This time actually I want to explain the direction of magnetic field in a straight wire, long straight wire carrying current I, or in a circular coil. How will we get? How to find the direction of magnetic field? So here in figure 1, this is figure 1, a straight wire carrying current I, and here is the point P. We have to find the direction of magnetic field at point P. So just put here your right hand thumb. The thumb will indicate the direction of current, and the put this one tip towards the point, and curl finger, this curl finger I put here, this curl finger, it is downward, and this will indicate the direction of magnetic field. So magnetic field will be here cross, that is perpendicular to the plane of paper and going into it. So like this. In this figure 2 here, it is shown the direction of current upward. So put your right hand thumb in the direction of current in the conductor, and this tip towards the point. So curl finger, this curl finger will be upward. So direction of magnetic field will be dot here. So we can put here the magnetic field cross vector B, and here we can put at point P it is dot vector B. So in a straight wire, the right hand thumb will indicate the direction of current, and curl finger will indicate the direction of magnetic field. So here it is dot field, and here it is cross field. In right hand palm rule number 2, this rule is also easy. Just put your right hand thumb along the direction of current, and this tip, this one, towards the point, then perpendicular here, like this. Perpendicular will be the direction of here, perpendicular at point P will be the direction of magnetic field. So like this, perpendicular. So this one is the right hand palm rule number 1. By this rule also it can be determined the direction of magnetic field. So far as here in circular coil carrying current, here at the center, what is the direction of magnetic field? The current is flowing in clockwise direction. So put your thumb at the center and just rotate your fingers, curl fingers, all 4 fingers in the direction of current clockwise. So your thumb will go into it. So here the magnetic field will be cross magnetic field. Likewise, if we draw a circular coil here in figure 4, and putting its center at O, the direction of current is anti-clockwise. So here at the center put your thumb upward, and this curl finger will be the direction of current, that is anti-clockwise. So thumb is out. So here thumb will indicate the direction of magnetic field, and it will be dot. It will be dot here, dot at this center. and here thumb will indicate the direction of magnetic field going into it cross, like this, cross. So the direction of magnetic field in circular coil can be determined by right hand thumb rule, and thumb will indicate the direction of magnetic field in case of circular coil, and curl finger will indicate the direction of current. But in a straight wire, the thumb will indicate the direction of current and curl finger will indicate the direction of magnetic field. So here, to know the direction of magnetic field, these are the rules. Thank you so much.